I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside.
Okay, hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's Itsgracieeebusiness and I'm back with another video. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're not, welcome back. If you're new, please don't do too much, y'all. So I'm in a rush, so I had to start doing my lashes. But look, this is gonna be a maintenance vlog. It's a back to school maintenance because I go back to school Tuesday, which is tomorrow. But the first day is online, y'all. So I'm really going back Wednesday, I guess. But yeah, so I'm trying to do a little maintenance. Y'all, I was in a rush. Like, I didn't book no appointments. I have no nail appointment, no hair appointment, no lash appointment, no nothing. That's why I'm doing my lashes right now, as y'all can see. And then today we're gonna try to do nails and toes. I'm gonna just go to a salon at this point because y'all, them toes, they look so bad. Like, the dogs is out, they look bad. So I gotta go get a pedicure, and I think I'm gonna just get a little cute short set or something. I don't even know yet. But I got an event to go to. That's why I'm trying to rush to do my lashes real quick because I was looking like baldy out here. So yeah, we're gonna do the lashes. And then if we go to the salons today, because I'm thinking since we're virtual tomorrow, I could really do everything tomorrow because it's basically MLK Day today. So it's a holiday. So I'm like, basically today is a chill day. Because who going to class online? Like, come on, be for real, be for real. So I think if I don't do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. But I'm gonna do the lashes, show y'all, and then we'll see if we go to the next salon or not. But y'all, back to school maintenance. Y'all know I don't play. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing with my hair, because basically I'm gonna be doing everything myself. It's gonna be maintenance on a budget, on a tight schedule. Okay? But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get into this maintenance vlog. Okay, y'all, lashes is done. This is actually from the TikTok shop, but I don't remember which ones. But they was from TikTok. They look clusters and they do it every time. They're like a fresh set. But yeah, so we're gonna see. I'll show y'all when we go to the nail salon, get a pedicure and whatnot. Okay, y'all, so I am back. It is the next day, so day 2 of maintenance. I know we only did lashes yesterday, but y'all, Houston weather is so bad right now. Like, we're in a freeze, but it's not freezing. It's just super cold. Like, it's 20s. It's been 20s and 30s, and we don't get weather like that. And yesterday we had a little bit of snow, so I wasn't going nowhere. Wasn't going on, and I had something to do. But now I'm gonna go to the nail salon. Because I told y'all, I have no appointments, but like, this is so last minute. And technically, we were supposed to start school today, but the weather is so bad that like, we can't go to school now. Like, and if they cancel, they'd be so worried because Houston don't never get that cold, so they was not planned. So they canceled it. I think we go back to school on the 18th, which is Thursday. So that's 2 days to get this maintenance done. I just need my nails and my toes. I need my toes done bad. Even though it's cold, the toes just look so bad. I need some maintenance. And you know, I haven't had maintenance since the new year. I ain't spent a little money on myself, you know. So I'm like, go ahead. I think I decided on black nails. I want them short because we go back to school and I go back to weight training and practice every freaking day. Y'all, we practice at 6 in the morning. 6 in the morning. And my classes start at like 1. Like, my schedule is so bad, but we don't even want to talk about school because, ooh, that's a whole nother story, y'all. But yeah, so I think I decided on black nails. So we're gonna go get a pedicure in the fresh set. And I really think that's it. I do have to touch up my braids. I am not getting my hair done. Like I said, no appointments have been booked, and I was not getting a wig if I'm gonna be sweating my hair out at 6 a.m. in the morning. No, like, that's a waste of money. So I was like, no. But these braids looking rough already, so we gotta at least touch them off because I look rough. So I'm doing that probably when I get back from the nail salon. And yeah, that's all we pretty much have left. Y'all, I wanted to go get a wax for the first time, but like I said, it's just the weather is so bad. I'm just not going anywhere right now. I'm just like, we'll just go up the street, get my nails done, and call it a day. But I do want to get a wax. So if I have tomorrow off for school too, because it's gonna be back almost to normal, I might go get it. But I'm scared. But I don't know, y'all, because I wax myself, but I never let anybody else wax me because babes, they be going hard. But I don't know. I guess it would be easier to let somebody else do it. But I just like to do it myself so I can, you know, do my own pain because baby, don't just be ripping and But yeah, we need to go ahead and get going. So I'm gonna go to the next line and you're just gonna come with me and y'all, I know I look a little rough, but be wondering, we're just gonna go to an old school classic nail salon, like in the hood where it's good. But no, cause they like, they're old but they're classic. They still do $25 sets, y'all. That's all I should have to say. That's all I should have to to say. So y'all already know. But no, they still do good nails. They be, I don't know about their pedicures because I normally go to another spot for my pedicures. But they always can do a good little short nail for me, you know. And I'm just getting short, simple, and black. So it's like, ain't no reason to pay no $70 for that. So I'm gonna go to them. But yeah. So y'all, why the spot that I normally go to, the little, you know, the little, you know, hole in the, what they call hole in the wall, whatever it's called. Why they was not open? Like I said, we're in bad weather in Houston, so a lot of things just aren't open. Everything's just all over the place. So I'm gonna go to another one, and it look even more ghetto, you know, when I go to this already ghetto. So we're gonna see y'all, but
Around me, bright and it died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, bright and it died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
y'all, do not be fooled by the sun. Like, I know I look warm, but I'm literally freezing. I just got out the nail salon. It was cold in the nail salon, but my nails and toes is cute. I went all black and it's cute, period. Nice and simple, but freezing. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what temperature it is right now, but I'm literally shaking. Like, y'all, oh my gosh. I was gonna go get some food or get some gas, but I'm like, I need to get home in my warm blankets and the heat, because oh my gosh, it's freezing. Like, I hate it when it's cold. I'm literally shaking. And I'm the type of person, when you get cold, like, my jaw be
I just caught a shorty off a fence, just the wrong hoodie, it's a print shop.
Okay, y'all, so I told you I was gonna touch up my hair, because as y'all could see, the edges is just all out. Yeah, it just looks real rough. I will show y'all this one in the back. I don't even think y'all can see it, but like, y'all, it's not even, y'all, the braid is so far down. Like, I don't know what happened back there. In the back of my head, I'll be doing anything. But I'm gonna just redo the front for real, because they need just a little touch up or whatever. So I'll just do a couple of the front. But I found out that our classes start, so we do have classes tomorrow, but it's all virtual. So like, it don't really count. But I guess we go back the day after that. So I'm gonna at least do it today, so I can already have it touched up. And tomorrow, I will join my classes virtually, because I don't play by my school. Like, I be going to class, like, I don't play. But I'm thinking I'm also gonna go shopping. Not shopping, but like a little back to school haul, shopping supplies. But I really don't need nothing. I just need my computer. And like, I be bringing a pencil and, you know, some paper or whatever. But I take all my notes on my computer. Everything is on my computer, so I don't really need anything. But I'm gonna go to Five Below, grab a little bit of stuff, and then I'm gonna get some other stuff. I want Five Below. What I really need is some headphones, some of these little cheap headphones, because oh my goodness, y'all, if y'all don't know, I really hate my school. Like, I hate my school, I hate the people here, and I don't want to have to go back. Like, I'm dreading it so bad, and I need my headphones so I can just not listen to nobody. Like, I'm gonna just keep them suckers on everywhere I go, so that, you know, don't talk to me. And I don't want no, like, I want big headphones so that you see. Like, you see, I got these big suckers on my ear. Don't talk to me. Like, don't talk to me for real. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the gel and take out some braid in here, and I'm gonna just redo every little braid, and yeah, it's gonna look like a little touch up on when because I've been wearing it in a ponytail anyway. So that's all I need to do. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I get to braiding.
Certain things just started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be the man.
I'm giving, for those who watched my braiding video when I did these braids, and if you didn't, go watch it. That video is supposed to be getting to hopefully 1,000 views, hopefully. Because that video was so funny. I'm actually happy that that's my most popular video on my channel. Like, I really am. But is it giving new growth? I got a little new growth. I can see where the dirt is, and then it's, is it, I'm being a little, that's cool, that's cool. I'm not tripping, because I had the, y'all know we had the bob, the big trim in November, and it's January, so I'm like, this not, I'm gonna get a trim next month, because I ain't playing, because I really do feel like the trim is growing my hair, or it's just making it healthy. Like, even when I blow dry, it just looks so much better, so I don't even mind. I just feel bald-headed afterwards, but like, it'll be okay. I'll be okay. Cause y'all, for next month, whoo, like, I really need to start planning my videos for next month and my content, cause y'all gonna go crazy for Valentine's. Like that's my day for real. And I want to figure out what I want to do with my hair, y'all, cause I want a big Valentine's Day. I'm not gonna lie. So, but I'm just running my mouth. Who knows? How about I make it to Valentine's, child? Well, I got some money when Valentine's come, cause Valentine's the 14th. Yeah. We'll see when the time comes. But yeah, we just gonna do this little front row. And I got my nails done today, and I'm braiding with them, but they not long, so I should be like, grip game good, babes. Yeah, my sister. Just can't believe that, like, this going back to school since I'm getting ready, it just don't feel like it's the second semester. Like, I feel like a whole sophomore. Like, it don't feel like this is still freshman year. Like, it went by so fast that it went slow. Like, I don't even know how to explain. Like, it went by so fast that I feel like I'm a sophomore. Like, it's crazy. Like, they did not feel like one semester, baby. That felt like 1 year. It felt like a whole year. But, you know, I just can't believe that. But I don't know, y'all. This semester, and it's gonna be harder too. Like, I got my harder classes. I'm working because I'm out of season, but we still have training. So it's like, girl, you a student athlete, and I'm coaching, and I'm finna get another job. Child, I be having too much going on. But I like to keep myself real busy because, like, I hate just being bored and not productive. Like, I can't do that. But then I be having to make sure I balance everything. So it's so like wishy-washy. So I'm just praying for a good semester, child, because oof, babes, I can't do no lie. I cannot do rough. And I already don't like the school. Like, please. It's gonna be very tough. I'm gonna be praying every day, child, like, for real. But hopefully, when I meet my professors, I normally always have good professors, and like, I always can connect good with my professors if they're very reasonable. If they not, then look, I'm not gonna deal with your delusional and all that, because they be real childish sometimes. But hopefully I have good ones. And I have classes with my teammates and friends, so at least I got that. But we're gonna see. But y'all, that's the first braid, and it's too hot in my restroom, so I'm gonna go do my hair in my room. But I'm gonna show y'all when I finish this little section, this little top section, and it's looking nice and fresh. Yo, Bob is pop. Finish braiding it up just to the front, and I'm just gonna put mousse on it and tie it up for the night because I'm gonna go to sleep. But yeah, so I found out my classes are online tomorrow, so I am gonna go to classes. I only have 2, and then we're gonna do back to school shopping, supplies, yada yada yada. And then that'll pretty much be the end of this maintenance vlog. Get ready for me back to school type of energy. You know, we are dreading it. We're gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna tie this up. And then I will see y'all tomorrow when we go shopping for the supplies. Okay, y'all, I know I forgot to update y'all, but we're finna head to Five Below right now. I'm at the gas station getting some gas. Y'all, it's not as cold today, so everything's back open. We had online classes today, so it was a cool little day. But I'm gonna go get some gas, and we're gonna go to Five Below so we can finish this vlog and get some school supplies, but really like some other stuff that I just need for school, but it's not really school supplies. But yeah, y'all gonna come with me and see. Y'all, I swear I have bad luck when it comes to picking gas stations. Like, I be trying not to pick the ones with the crazy people in them. Oh my fucking gosh. Why did this be? Just the gas out my car, y'all. I'm dead serious. Like, I got it. I got it. Thank you, though. Huh? I don't. Like, seriously, what the heck? This is what my dad be telling me not to come over here. Now I gotta get out the car. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, so I made it to Five Below. The main thing I need is headphones for sure, and I do want some more pens or whatnot. But like I said, all my school stuff I mainly do on my computer, which I meant to show y'all, but I'll show y'all that in a school vlog for real. But yeah, I do need some pens, and then I really want these little flare tights that they got that I saw online. But that's not a need, okay? We need to get the stuff we need first. But if that's extra, then, you know, I'm gonna just get it because it's $5. It's $5. Like, come on, I'm gonna get it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just show y'all what I get.
Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. Just make sure you're ready, baby. Cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Timing is everything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Cause you know when it's so. Give me when, baby. You know.
Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much the end of this vlog. I got the headphones. I needed a car charger for sure. That's school related, I guess. And I got the what else did I get? The headphones, the charger, and the pens. And I got the pens. So that's pretty much it, because I've already started school, so I didn't need too much. I didn't find the tights in here though, but I showed y'all that mirror. I might come back for that mirror because I need a mirror with lighting for some more content, because I really needed some more. But I want a big one, so I might just save up for the one on Amazon, like with the light bulbs and the vanity, because that is so, oh, that's gonna be so cute. But that was just a little cute one that I could have got, but I didn't get it because it was battery operated, and I hate batteries. I don't buy batteries at all. But yeah, so I didn't get that one, but it was really cute. I love Five Below. But I needed to be in and out because I'm supposed to go to my orthodontist appointment and I'm already late. So I was trying to move fast. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this little maintenance vlog. We got ourselves together, hair, nails, toes, eyelashes, a little something, you know, just for a quick back to school maintenance. I really do want to vlog some more college experiences, more day in the life, because I'll be working. It won't be traveling because we're not in season, so I should have more time to do like more vlogging and stuff. So I really hope I do. But yeah, that's it for this one. It's gonna be the first one, some college content of back to school with me. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Love y'all.